a deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. Pour this into a bucket. This trick will give you shiny, spotless floors that are so clean you could eat off them. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. To make the best floor cleaner, start by separating the flowers from dried lavender. Grind the lavender flowers into powder. Put the lavender powder into a glass and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep. After a few minutes, strain the mixture into a jug to remove the lavender pieces. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to the strained liquid. Mix everything well and pour it into the cleaning bucket. With this trick, your floor will be cleaner than ever. Mop every room, and your floor will shine without using chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Tea will clean your floors. This trick will leave you with shiny, spotless floors you could eat off of. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. Start by making tea. Prepare it as usual, but use 3 bags of black tea. Drop them into a cup and pour boiling water over them. Wait for it to cool. Then, pour water into a bucket and add the prepared tea. Now grab your mop and clean the floor. This trick will make the surface cleaner than ever. Wash every room like this, and your floors will shine without any chemicals. You won't see a single streak. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Add cinnamon to the bucket for mopping the floor. You would never think that cinnamon in mop water would bring such effects. I never thought about it before either. You have to try it. After watching the movie, you will definitely take advantage of this advice. You won't want to use any other method. This one gives the best effect, and a beautiful scent that lasts a long time. The benefits will be felt throughout the house. Now, I would like to tell you about them. Cinnamon contains compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help remove invisible bacteria and fungi from the floor. In addition to the beautiful scent, it also repels some insects. So let's get to work. Prepare a bucket of water. Also, prepare ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks. Pour as much water into the bucket as usual. Add a small amount of cleaning agent. The first method, add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon to the bucket and mix thoroughly. You can mop the floor and enjoy the result. Now let me show you the second method. Prepare a pot and pour water into it. Turn it on the stove to boil. Add 3 cinnamon sticks. Leave the boiling sticks on low heat for about 10 minutes. After this time, you can stir them. Turn off the heat and set aside the pot until it cools completely. When the water cools down, you can remove the sticks. Transfer them to the bucket of water and mix. You can now mop the floor as usual. Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bedbugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you.